Good morning, girls. Myself, Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. I am retired from Indian Navy on 2019 31st January, and I had prepared a channel, YouTube channel, which is very useful for all competitive examinations. As you can see, I had already prepared one syllabus what exactly has to be prepared for the MNS examinations for the all women who wants to be a military nursing service, who wants to do in defense forces. And really this is the best, one of the best YouTube channel. You will find maximum information regarding all competitive examinations, and for the GK and GS everything you have in it. So let us see exactly the question paper. As you can see, 2019 previous year examination papers, this exactly the standard of the paper which was given last year. So be prepared how you have prepared for the last 1 year. So now this will be helpful for you whether I am okay with the syllabus, have I got any kind of lagging behind. You can directly go through my YouTube playlist, you will find maximum information. I hope this is the best channel because I had prepared it, more than 800 videos have been uploaded. So I am damn sure that this question papers, whatever, on the basis of this maximum questions it has been given in our playlist also, so 90% have been covered. So that is the reason I am making now for you a benefit. So please share it to your friends also. Let us start without wasting time. GK and CA, that is general knowledge and current affairs. MS Swaminathan, we are aware that father of green revolution is MS Swaminathan. He belongs to Alappuzha, which is in Kerala. The governor of Puducherry, we are aware that the lieutenant governor Kiran Bedi, she is the first IPS officer. Now she is officiating as Puducherry's LG, Lieutenant Governor. The full form of VAT has been asked, that is value added tax. Next we have name the bird in Twitter. We knew that there is a symbol of Twitter application. That app, as you can see in that bird's name is Larry. You should remember the bird's name. Captain of Indian cricket team, that is Virat Kohli. Prior he was Mahendra Singh Dhoni was there. Now the Virat Kohli has become the captain. As you can see right side, MS Swaminathan, father of green revolution for the India, not for the world. All over the world, Norman Borlaug is the father of green revolution. Next we have Durand Cup is related to, that is related to football. 10th BRICS summit was held in 2018 at Johannesburg, which is located in South Africa. As we are aware that BRICS stands Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa. So next we have the tallest structure and building, that is Burj Khalifa, which is located in Dubai. First newspaper of India, Bengal Gazette, we are aware that. Next, headquarters of SAARC, South Association Regional Cooperation, South Asian Association Regional Cooperation, which is located in Kathmandu, that is capital of Nepal. So I hope, as you can see, I had finished my MBA as well as MA, PGDM and retired on 31st of January, that is, and I am very glad that I am making these question papers for the MNS officers. Though we were seen their service towards defense personnel, we really love their service. They are very grateful. So please, whatever the job you are applying, this is one of the finest job. This will help in doing something good towards the person and for your family. Next we have Chief Minister is appointed by. Chief Minister is appointed by the governor. Even the oath taking ceremony will be taken place in front of governor itself. Gateway of India is located in Mumbai. As we are aware that India Gate is located in Delhi, but the Gateway of India is in Mumbai. Bihu is famous dance of Assam. In Assam, the Bihu festival is celebrated. As you can see the right side, the dress code of Bihu festival, so that they will be celebrated near about thrice they will be celebrated. There is Rangoli Bihu, Bhagoli Bihu. There are three various Bihu festivals. If you see my playlist, you will find the Bihu dance, whatever dance forms of the states, you will find everything in that. Near about 100 topics have been given with the picturization. State of India famous for Spice. Which state is famous for spice? Spice Garden of India is Kerala. Vikram Sarabhai Space Center is located in, as we are aware that Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, which is located in Thiruvananthapuram. Next we have My Life is My Music is the biography of, this is the best one. As you can see the whole thing, it is Pandit Ravi Shankar is the one. My Life, My Music, the biography written by Pandit Ravi Shankar. Moon is the satellite of, here moon is given, it is a satellite of for the earth actually. And this Satyajit Ray, as you can see, the Satyajit Ray is the one who made this Raja Harishchandra movie. So don't forget, on with this, whatever the award, lifetime achievement award will be given on his name, Dada Saheb Phalke Award. So Satyajit Ray is the guy who has got the Oscar, first Indian who got the Oscar. Dada Saheb Phalke who made Raja Harishchandra. So don't get confused in both the things. Bank of Banks, as we are aware that Reserve Bank of India is known as Bank of Banks. The case of Nirbhaya passed in Lokpal on which date? 27 December 2011. This case of Nirbhaya has been passed in the Lokpal. The name of operation took place during the Kargil war, that was Operation Vijay, has been taken place during Kargil war. Father of ancient Indian medicine is Charaka, is the ancient Indian medicine's father. We knew that Charaka is the main medicine who had made it, Charaka Samhita. As you can see that London is situated at the bank of river Thames. Thames, there is a river. This is a London bridge. That bridge is located on the river Thames itself. World Health Day celebrated on 7th of April. So you may be asked one national day. Sugar Bowl of the World, that is Brazil, is known as Sugar Bowl of the World. Prior it was Cuba, now it has been changed to Brazil. Next we have the President of United Nations Organization, that is Maria Fernando Espinosa of Ecuador. As you can see, the President of United Nations Organization, that is Maria Fernando Espinosa of Ecuador. He belongs to Ecuador actually. Father of genetic engineering, that is Paul Berg is the father of genetic engineering. Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea is connected by the canal. As you can see right side, that is a Suez Canal which has been connected. The author of the book White Tiger, as you can see, the White Tiger book has been written by whom? Arvind Adiga. Next we have the President of India. Who is the President of India? That is Ramnath Kovind. But here it is asked as Vice President of India, that is Venkaiah Naidu. As you can see, the term period for the parliament members. So this term period is 5 years. Secretary General of United Nations, that is Antonio Guterres. Next, the first Indian to win the Nobel for India is, initially we got the Nobel Prize. That Nobel Prize has been received initially for the literature by Rabindranath Tagore for Geetanjali book. From Geetanjali, our national anthem has been taken. First woman Prime Minister of world is Sirimavo Bandaranaike, has become the initial woman Prime Minister of the Sri Lanka. But in the world, as you can see, she has become the first woman. Metro Man of India is E. Sridharan, is known as Metro Man of India. Next we have GK and current affairs. Satyameva Jayate has been taken from which Upanishad? That is Mundaka Upanishad. As you can see the right side, yes, Mundaka Upanishad is the one. There are various Upanishads. In that, this Mundaka Upanishad or Satyameva Jayate has been taken. Kalinga war was won by, that is Ashoka. So that war is related to Ashoka itself. Highest award in literacy, that is Jnanpith Award, is the highest award. In the case of Booker Prize also will be given. As you can see, the JK and JS has our current affairs have been completed. Now we have biology. The branch of medicine that deals with the study of blood is hematology. The father of medicine is Hippocrates. Presence of hemoglobin in blood is measured by Charlie's hemometer. These are all important questions which have been taken from the various sources, and previous year questions have been compiled in it. So I hope this will help you, and I request you guys to go through this. I'll make maximum prior your examination. This will be very useful for the further preparation towards your exams. Here the presence of hemoglobin in blood is measured by, this is measured by Charlie's hemometer, is the instrument with which the hemoglobin in blood quantity is measured. The discovery of blood circulation system of human body by the discovery of blood circulation system this discovery has been William Harvey has been discovered for the blood circulation. Blood groups is Landsteiner. Next we have disease which are easily transmitted from one to another is, whatever the disease which transmit from one to one is infectious disease. Next we have the blood group are discovered by the Landsteiner. As I already told, blood group is Landsteiner, blood circulation is William Harvey. Health is affected by infections, lifestyle and genetic disorder. These three things which affect our health. Obviously infections, also lifestyle. If your lifestyle has become very lavish and you don't take care, then you will have the problem. Genetic disorder also one reason. The non-infectious disease, cancer is the major cause of death. Whatever the non-infection disease, that is cancer, is the major cause of death, we can tell. It's not an infectious one. The important factors to maintain good health: we have to have a balanced diet, personal hygiene has to be maintained, and we should do regular exercises. Anemia is due to the deficiency of nutritional anemia. So obviously this anemia is the deficiency of iron. With the iron we'll have the nutritional anemia problem. As you can see right side, Carl Landsteiner, who discovered the blood group, that is in 1901 he had found it. As you can see that red blood corpuscles, again A, B and O, as you can see donors, antibodies, so everything you can directly go through this. Next we have the deficiency of protein causes, the deficiency of protein directly causes kwashiorkor. And next we have the branch that deals with the study of inheritance, that is generic. So this is a branch which deals with the study of inheritance is generic. The changes in the general genetic material is defined as, so whatever the changes we can see in genetic material is known as mutation. Biology is the youngest of the more formalized disciplines of natural science. Again, the term vitamin has been coined by the scientist Funk. As you can see that DNA and RNA of it and how it has been given, so this may be helpful for you to find out exactly what has been given. Next we have the causative program on typhoid fever. As you can see, the typhoid fever, main reason of this typhoid is Salmonella typhi bacterium, which directly affects your intestines, and you will not have the proper digestion. You will have the digestion problems and you will have the diarrhea as well as vomiting. Next we have Vidal test. We are aware that ELISA test is what exactly the ELISA test is used for, to find out AIDS is present or not. Vidal test is for typhoid fever. Blood bank of human body is, that is spleen is known as blood bank of human body. A classical typhoid case in medicine is related with typhoid Mary. So this is the one. So this medicine is related with the typhoid Mary. Pathogens that cause diseases in man are bacteria, viruses and fungus. These three are the one. So pathogens that cause the diseases in man. So these three are the one main reason. So as you can see, there are Vidal test, how it exactly, you can see how it has been done. So next we have a person of blood group AB can give the blood to only AB, not other one. We knew that though he is an acceptor, he cannot give it to others. he can take from each and every one. He is a universal acceptor. Donor is O. Which of the following is present in the context of a flower? As you can see, the flower, we have the carpel, as well as there are various parts of it, male part as well as female part. You have to remember, every time they are asking one flower concerning question. Increased blood glucose level is, obviously when you have the glucose level maximum blood in the blood, that is when the non-functioning of the pancreas will result to less secretion of insulin. Then what happens? You will have the sugar level in your blood, and then you will have the BP pressure problems. So even diabetes mellitus, you will get the diagnosis. Oxygen carrying capacity, it is hemoglobin which carry the oxygen, that is red blood corpuscles, erythrocyte. Nucleosomes repeats its unit to form chromatin. So this nucleosome which repeats its unit to form chromatin, this is the one. Next we can see that the universal donor is O group, acceptor is AB. We have seen the elephant have got three various places, that is tusks which is made of ivory. They are upper incisors, we can tell. So that is not used for the chewing. Chewing is different, showing is different. These tusks are made of ivory. Lifespan of white blood corpuscles is, that is 13 to 20 days. In the case of red blood corpuscles, 100 to 120 days. Regulation of human body temperature. Hypothalamus is the one which regulates your human body, which is located in your brain. It's near to the brain. In the head we find this hypothalamus. Next we have largest gland in the body, that is liver is the largest gland. Organ is skin. Endocrine gland is thyroid. So you have to remember each and everything interlinked. Mosquito eating fish, we are aware that these fishes are they have been left in the ponds because that directly eats the mosquito larvae. As you can see right side, that eats like that. So gambusia fish which directly eat the mosquitoes. Next we have phloem parenchyma is absent in monocots. In monocots, this phloem parenchyma is absent. Pashmina shawl is a type of goat actually. Next, mast cell is secreted by histamine. This mast cell is secreted by what? Histamine. Narrow part of stomach is known as pylorus. Next we have Sabine vaccine is one type of polio vaccine, you can tell. Pollination by wind is known as anemophily. Whatever the pollination happens by the help of wind is known as anemophily. The first reaction of photosynthesis is known as ATP formation. The plant that manages the transpiration rate is known as, so which manages, those kind of plants manages the transpiration, that is xerophytes. Insects provide nitrogen to insectivorous plant. As you can see that, so this insects provide nitrogen to the insectivorous plant. Cork cambium is an example of lateral meridionalism. So here egg-laying mammal is duck-billed platypus and anteater also one of the main egg-laying mammals. As you can see next, cell division cannot be stopped in which phase? S phase. This cell division cannot be stopped. Cell division cannot be stopped in a prophase also. As you can see right side, it is prophase. Which cell secretes histamine? That is mast cell. Single cell eukaryotic organism is phylum, that is protozoa. As you can see, amoeba, paramecium, Eglina, these three are the main protozoas which has got single cell eukaryotic organism. Is flattened system is phylloclade is the one type of flattened stem. So you should know what exactly the flattened stem is, that is phylloclade. Next we have the physics. All bio has been finished. So let us see exactly what physics question have come. The kinetic energy of photoelectron. Here we can see the Einstein has formulated this photoelectron theory. The kinetic energy of photoelectron is independent of the intensity of the light. So this intensity of light is measured in lumen. When a ray of light travels from denser to rarer medium, it bends towards the normal and obviously it gets so slowed down also. Next we have the tendency of understood the tendency of undistributed objects to stay at rest or to keep moving with the same velocity is known as inertia. This inertia has been taken from the Newton's first law, as you can see, law of inertia. So the tendency of undistributed objects to stay at rest or to keep moving with the same velocity is known as law of inertia. Next we have the which of the following gas is used to prevent food material from getting oxidized is, that is nitrogen. So this is the one, the gas is to prevent food material from getting oxidized, that is nitrogen. As you can see, this nitrogen can be used in the potato chips packet. So you'll find that the kinetic energy of ball weighing 0.5 kg moving with a velocity of 4 meter per second will be half mv square. Directly you'll get the answer as usual, that is 45 is the right answer. Next you have which of the form of energy that doesn't occur while riding a bicycle but chemical energy. So in this case, muscular energy into kinetic energy happens, as well as momentum is measured as a product of mass and velocity. So here what we have to remember is chemical energy doesn't, whatever the option has been given, you have to go for that. When a number of resistors are connected in series in a circular, when a number of resistors are connected in a series in a circuit, the value of current remains the same. So what exactly has to be remembered is, so the number of resistors are connected in series, then what happens is the circuit of the current remains same. In the domestic we have parallel type, series we have in car batteries. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to how much? 3.6 into 10 to the power of, so we can directly go through that. Negative acceleration is the opposite direction of velocity is known as negative acceleration, that is opposite to the velocity. The international system unit of charge is coulomb. The fourth state of matter is plasma. We are aware that there are solid, liquid and gas, and the fourth one is plasma. Echo of sound is due to the reflection of the sound. Distance between two crusts is known as wavelength. As you can see, the wavelength between the crust is known as wavelength. Trough is this crust and trough, you can tell the crust also the same, trough also the same, that is wavelength. The blood measuring device is, we are aware that sphygmomanometer, blood pressure, it is not blood measuring, blood pressure measuring device is sphygmomanometer, which is systolic diastolic 120 by 80 millimeter of mercury Hg. So next, which gas is released when water is added to bleaching powder, that is chlorine is released. So here what exactly has to be remembered is, the water is added to the bleaching powder. As you can see, the bleaching powder, water is added, the chlorine will be released. Like left reverse process also will get the same. To convert the temperature from Celsius to Kelvin, we have to add minus, here we can see that 273 to be added. So we have to remember like that. Metals reacts with acids to give a salt and hydrogen. This metals reacts with the acids to give a salt and a hydrogen. Chlorine gas is used in the manufacture of bleaching powder. And next we have which is the product which is produced by multiple fission potassium. The molecule formula of propane is C3H8. Which metal is to be cut with the knife, that is sodium. With the help of knife, it is to be cut with the knife itself. You have to cut, you have to store in the tin the kerosene in that, because it directly reacts with the atmosphere, it may blast. Except helium, which inert gas have how many electrons in their outermost? We knew that 8 electrons. All these atomic numbers are multiples of what? 8. So here we have this 8 outermost shells, which is reproduced by multiple fission, that is potassium is reproduced by multiple fission. Next we have heat energy, kinetic energy, mechanical energy, exempt chemical energy is different. The number of neutrons in an atom is equal to the, that is mass number and atomic number both, that is called neutrons. The carrying of sugar is due to dehydration when treated with the sulfuric acid, that is carrying of sugar is due to the dehydration only when it is treated with the sulfuric acid. As you can see right side, you will have the good picture is in that. Covering of pan is coated with, as you can see the what are the what are the pans we use it in cooking utensils, we coat with the covering that is Teflon. The Teflon coating will be there for a non-stick purpose. Bleaching agent is one type of calcium. You can see that the element required for the photolysis of water is manganese and chlorine. These two elements are required for the photolysis of water. How many hydrogen bonds a water molecule can form? That is 4 hydrogen molecules. As you can see the right side, what exactly the quadruple bonds. Next, in English we have been asked as synonym of knuckle. As you see, one knuckle punch, knuckle duster, you can see that a mechanical joint, that is in a plant also you will find this knuckle, and finger also you will find the same thing. Paucity synonym is, that is shortfall or scarcity. Momentous means very important. Optimistic means one who looks bright side as well as confident. Varanasi is a holy city. That has been asked as a articles. Honesty is the best policy. The is the best policy. Next, we have one who help others good, that is Samaritan. He's a charitable person, you can tell. One who dies for the noble cause, that is martyr. Impertinent means not showing the proper respect. In order to maintain good health, one should eat balanced diet. Philatelist, the person who collects the stamps is known as philatelist. Somnambulist or noctambulism is both same. One who walks in sleep, he is somnambulist. Somniloquy means one who talks in sleep. You should know about this. To alleviate means to diffuse or to lessen. Tactical means cunning or planned. Deferred means delayed or negotiated. Postponed, adjourned. So all things can be there. The spelling of consciousness is, so that is consciousness, like this. Turpitude means immortality. You must know all these things. Next, voluptuous means curvy, attractive woman, you can tell. Hibernation means the state of inactivity and metabolic depressions in animals during winter. And in winter we can see like that. So this state of inactivity and metabolic depression in animals, that is hibernation. Let bygones be bygones means to allow the unpleasant things that have happened in the past be forgotten. So whatever was happened, forgive everyone. So let us start with the new thing. To fight tooth and nail means to fight or argue fiercely. Men proposes but God disposes. This is the one. The news was much better than you expected is the one, which is the important one. And I request you, once you can go through whatever playlist has been made, that will be very helpful. So examination wise, syllabus wise have been made, so please go through that video also. That will be very helpful. Topic wise you will get information in my playlist. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life. For your patience, I hope this channel will help you a lot. Thank you, ladies. Please share it to your friends also. I am doing my part. I request you people to share it to your friends. Have a good day. Have a great life.